Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to make a blank comment in Facebook. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmake it. First of all, we need to make our Facebook mobile device. So right click above the Facebook and click on inspect, and make sure to turn on this toggle option from here, and now refresh this tab. So for example, I want to post a blank comment to this post. I'm going to click on comment. First of all, type @ and give a space, and now give a open bracket and type 0 and give a colon and give a close bracket and click on post, and now click on more, edit, and now from here we have to remove the space, and now click on update, and then here we can see my post is blanked now. So this was how we can post a blank comment on Facebook. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to unmake it. Thank you for watching.